Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I want to do a drop or pass video with the upcoming Sephora sale. Now, why did I think the Sephora sale was this month starting from the 11th? So I uploaded a quick Sephora sale recommendations, and then I'm like, but why I'm not seeing more hype around this? I was like, nobody's shopping? And then I went back and I looked on Trend Mood's page and I saw it's April. I know it's April. I don't know why I did that. Did you guys wonder, how come she's uploading this so early? But since we're talking about it, let's talk about like the stuff that's out, that's hype, if we're gonna buy or pass. All right. First one, the Makeup by Mario. He's coming out with his Master Mattes. This is the neutral palette. I know you guys have seen it. Pass or drop? For me, it's a pass. It's a pass because, well, I have the original. I guess that's warm. I love it. Like I've said to you guys. But my Patrick Ta Major Dimensions 3 palette, I get a full row of warm shades and a full row of neutral shades. I got that Hue the Beauty, that cool palette. I don't need any more cool tones. Are there any like cool tone girlies that look at my videos? I have to be in the mood to like wear cool tones, and it'll have to be like mixed in maybe with like a little, I rarely do all like just a full out cool eye. So for me that's a pass. All right, so Supergoop launched Skin Tint. This is what I've been telling myself because I have drawers of foundations. I really do. I have my cream foundations, my stick foundations, my foundations in a tube, my foundations in a bottle. I can barely get to them. I've been trying to use them up. Like today I'm using my Valentino. I forgot how much I love this foundation. I'm trying to use my stuff. So I'm telling myself no more complexion products. But something about this Supergoop is calling my name. I'm on the fence though. I don't know if I'm going to buy or shop or pass. What are you guys going to do? Let me know. And girl, I'm trying to stand on business. I know Ulta have their sales going on and I'm so proud of myself. I'm like, Ulta who? Nope. We're not doing it. We need nothing. I need nothing. This is my mantra. You guys should do it too. We need nothing from Sephora. We need nothing from Ulta. And let's see if we're strong enough to literally do not buy anything. Well, I don't know. Just something about just looking at it. I'm on the fence with this one for sure. All right. So Danessa came out with this balm. Danessa Myricks. It looks so scrumdiddlyicious. So it's a Yummy Skin Moisture Repair Balm and Serum with hyaluronic acid and squalene. I guess it's a base for makeup. You can put it on before your makeup. It just looks so good. And I'm like, do I need another illuminating anything? Because I have my Juvia's Place Radiance Booster. I love it. I have like other radiant stuff, but just seems so like, so it's 98% natural balm to serum, intensely hydrates. I know my dry skin would love this. Intensely hydrates, repairs, and soothes with our Moisture Repair Complex. It has 16 nourishing ingredients. Like it's... This I'm so tempted because... But I'm thinking I really should not be buying any makeup. So you can use in the morning and night as moisturizer, as a moisturizing step before makeup application, or as a slugging step to help dry, irritated skin recover. Her stuff is so innovative and so like different and beautiful. I'm tempted. I know she has another one, but that's mattifying. So when I saw that's mattifying, I was like, okay, I don't have to worry about that one. Now her new Groundwork palette, it's not coming out during the sale. I'm on the fence about that one, about that palette as well, because I'm not like too much of a pinky person, like to have a whole palette yet. It's not even on the Sephora app yet. The new Groundwork palette, because you know I love the original, the neutral sort of brown one. That one, it's not going to be available, I think, until the 21st. I think by the time it's available, the sale would have ended. But are you guys shopping or passing on this? Let me know, like, sound off in the comments, please. Now, this Dior Forever, right? So I saw this and I'm like, oh my God, it's 55 bucks, but it's the Forever Glow Star Filter Multi-Use Complexion Enhancing Booster. You guys know I do not need this because I'm obsessed with my Juvia's Place Radiance Booster. But I'm fighting the urge so bad. I am fighting the urge. What do you guys think? Are you guys going to shop or pass? Because I know you guys are looking at the same things I'm looking at or similar things. I know you guys are getting notifications from Trend Mood. Now, if you really want to stand on business, block her. Block Trend Mood or mute her notifications because it's going to be very difficult to stand on business if you keep following Trend Mood. Well, you don't have to unfollow her. You can block her and then come back after the sale. But there's so much stuff launching and she keeps putting stuff up. And every time I see it, I'm like, oh, really? But still trying to stand on business. Still trying to stand on business. All right, so Ilia is coming out with foundation sticks. Now, I love foundation sticks. I know a lot of people don't like foundation sticks, but I'm one of the, I guess, well, I don't know about few, but I'm somebody that love a foundation stick. I like a good foundation stick. I find them to be very creamy, very hydrating, and my dry skin loves foundation sticks because it's like I love my Makeup Forever foundation sticks, my Fenty foundation stick, my Tom Ford foundation stick, and this just looks so yummy. But do I really need another foundation stick? No, I do not. I don't need it in any way, shape, or form. So, are we shopping or are we passing? I'm very tempted. I'll let you guys know after the sale what I did. All right, so Haus Labs. So she launched some new shades. I have one of her shades. But I'm not a huge fan. I found it powdery. I didn't love the formula. I found it powdery and I did not like the shade. It was like a weird shade on me. But there's a girl on TikTok. She has like my complexion. I saw her with the nudie color one. This one, like it looks sort of like a tan shade. It looked beautiful and she had like some highlighter over top of it. But I'm saying to myself, girl, you need a nude shade blush. You have the Patrick Ta and you have that Natasha Denona that's sitting back there that you never pick up. Do you need it? I might have to stand on business, but are we buying or are we passing? If you guys love this formula and you own, because I know this was very popular and a lot of people liked it. Like if you guys liked it, let me know what you guys are going to do. Are you going to buy or are you going to pass? So Too Faced also has foundation sticks coming out. I don't know when last I purchased something from Too Faced. Probably their concealer. This looks yummy as well. Looks nice and creamy. The shade range looks so beautiful. Are we buying or passing, guys? Whew, girl. I mean, we have like a full month. So we have a long time to think about it. And I see Urban Decay as well. Urban Decay, they're launching foundation, but I don't see it on the app and I don't see when it's gonna launch. Yeah, so this is the I'm getting this from Trend Mood's page. This is the foundation from Urban Decay, but I don't see it on the Sephora website, so I'm not sure if it's gonna be launched before or during the sale. But Urban Decay, I think, makes some good complexion products. I've been happy with their complexion products. I love their Quickie Concealer. So, but this is for you guys. I don't need another foundation. I don't need another foundation. I really don't. All right, so Prada has a foundation. I know you guys have seen this, heard about it. This foundation I've come the closest to purchasing. It's 70 bucks. And I was thinking, do I need another very high-priced, high-end foundation? The answer is no. Do I want it? Yes. So this, I'm thinking, okay, this is what I'm gonna do. This is what I'm gonna do. If you guys own this product foundation, right? If you own this foundation, you tell me, is it worth it? Should I buy or pass? Because I figured with 20% off, this would be the best time to purchase. So I want you guys to tell me, should I buy? Should I pass? Is it worth it? I know you guys own this foundation. I know some of you own this foundation for sure, because we're all alike. So if you think that I should buy this foundation, definitely let me know in the comment section. If you don't think I should get it, leave that also in the comment section. So Makeup Forever came out with new bronzers. I do not need another bronzing powder at all. A lot of my bronzing powders, I have it as my display. But there's something, I love Makeup Forever. They're my top 3 for makeup brands. I've never really had a bad Makeup Forever product, and this just looks good. My fave on TikTok, she's lighter than me, but she used it. I don't remember what shade she had. It just looked so nice. It blended out beautifully. The texture looked pretty. So this, I don't know if I can stand on business. I may have to give in. But I really don't need, there's a lot of sirens going by. I don't know what happened. I don't need another bronzing powder though. You know, because it's like I said to you guys before, we buy the same things in different packaging. And this is why I wanted to do this video and sit down and let's just talk about it and look at the products that's coming out. What are we going to get? Because the temptation is there, and every day something else just keeps popping up and launching, and what's coming and what's not coming. So is this Makeup Forever bronzer on your wish list? Let me know. All right, the new Patrick Ta blushes. This is going to be a pass for me because I literally went in store and I swatched all 3 of the new shades and they were all too light. So if you're my, because you know I love the other 3 that I have. If you're my complexion, I would say pass. It's not going to do much for you. Honestly, it's not going to show up that much. If you're thinking of buying one of these blushes, I would buy She's So LA, Do We Know Her, shades like that that would show up on deeper skin, because I swatched all of them in store. It didn't do anything for me. So I'm definitely going to pass on his, this new release. I know Guerlain is supposed to be coming out with bronzers as well. I don't know if it's going to be in time for the Sephora sale because I didn't see it on their, it's not on their website. It's not on the Sephora website, I don't think. I'm looking again, but I didn't see it, but I know I saw it on, I know I saw it on Trend Mood's page, but I don't see it. And also I noticed Nars is coming out with, I think it's called their With Love collection. So they have a face palette, they have a quad, they have a powder. And Nars hasn't really moved me in a while. They haven't really moved me in a while. But if you're interested in this collection, I think this probably would be the best time to buy it since, you know, there's going to be a sale. So are we shopping this or are we passing? I'm talking about like the new stuff, like stuff we can grab while the sale is going on. Rare Beauty also has, she came up with some new highlighters. These seem to be for deeper complexions because the model, she's darker. These seem darker. The one I purchased, I'm not a huge fan because it's way too light. It's like a very, very, very light champagne on me. Her prices are good. So when I saw this, I was saying to myself, this is driving me nuts, this shirt. I was saying to myself, maybe I can give it another try. But then I said to myself, do I really need another highlighter? No, it's the same glow in a different packaging. So shop or pass, I may pass. What do you guys think? Are you guys shopping or passing? Because I've been like going through the stuff, looking at stuff, like trying to convince myself I don't need anything. I know you guys are probably doing the same thing. I'm not going to talk about skincare because skincare is very personal. What else? Oh, those YSL powders. There's a powder on their bronzers. I don't see it at all on the website. I don't know if they're going to be available for the sale. Now, if those were available, I can tell you right now, if those were available on the Sephora website, because I would like to, you know, get money off of it. If those were available on the Sephora website now, that's the only thing I know with absolute certainty that I would buy. Okay, here it is. I'm talking about these. The packaging is beautiful. I know they're at Nordstrom's, but I would much rather buying it from Sephora where I can get my points and where, you know, there's a sale going on, because it's not cheap. I wish this would come on the Sephora website before the sales start, because I really want to, I would love to, that would be, I would purchase that. I wouldn't have to wonder if it's a purchase or a pass. I would purchase. I'm trying to see, and see, look, also, these are the Guerlain blushes. This I don't see on the Sephora website either, but if these launched, I was thinking about it, but then I also said, do I need another blush? No. I use one blush. I've been using 2 blushes for the past how many months now? But this could be a purchase, well, not for me, but for you guys. These look really nice. What do you guys think? Are you buying or are you passing? Okay, and then Natasha Denona has her natural face palette. I don't know if and these are images from Trend Mood. This I'm gonna pass. I have enough face palettes. It doesn't look like anything like, oh my god, so exciting that I want it. If that or I don't like so much pink. I'm very curious about that Danessa Myricks, her new palette. When it comes in store, I'm gonna go swatch it, make sure I like it, because that I would purchase for sure. That and the YSL powder and bronzers if it comes on the Sephora site. All right, I can't think of anything else right now, but I just wanted to put this video out there so, you know, you guys, we can all talk about what's out there. Are we purchasing? Are we passing? Let me know in the comments what you guys are gonna do. And we have a whole month to think about it. And if there's anything else I missed or something else comes up, definitely let me know. You guys can always hit me up on Instagram as well at Nalini63, or you can just leave a comment down below. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.